Hi, I'm Varnaz. Welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for almond flour buns. They're really quick and easy to make. They do need baking, but you can use them for your sandwiches, for your burgers, and even an accompaniment to any curries or dishes. So I'm really excited to show you this recipe. It's quick, fast and easy. And so let's get cooking.
So here are the ingredients: 100 grams of melted butter, 6 eggs, and 150 grams or 1.5 cups of almond flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, see that it's fresh. Now take your 6 eggs and whisk them in a bowl. Give it a whisk. Now it's time to add the melted butter, which is 100 grams, and the 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give it a mix, and now it's time lastly to add the almond flour. As easy as that. Mix all this, and I'm trying to show you what the consistency should be like. It should be a thickish batter, but not really thick. It can fall off the fork. Yeah, so that's how it should be after a good mix. Now this is the pan that you'll need to make these buns. It needs to have a bit of a dip in them. You need to spray them with anything, coconut spray or butter. I've used Pam. And fill them with the batter, not right to the top. Keep it a little low because they are going to increase in size, and in they go into the oven at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. And here we have them, as easy as that. I never knew making buns would be so easy. They're soft, they smell really, really good. I'm going to cut one of them open to show you what they look like inside. And they're soft and completely like normal bread. You're never going to miss sandwiches and burgers anymore after making these buns. I promise you that. They are absolutely amazing. Enjoy.